is going up.
Game like a Tory, you so special.
Yeah, welcome to the Van Rap Radio. You know there's those tracks in NRE. You just bump into them, man. You go to Chibera Zula. You just track and you're like, nah, man, this one, this one, man, has that thing. Yeah, this right there. I got a trailer, music video, Avhude. First thing that came to my mind was like, no way I'm gonna share this before I get the actual song, because the video already got me locked down. Like that few seconds, I was like, what the heck? What the heck is this film doing here? Nigga, shit, you're killing me. Damn it. Then I went and then I'm like, Blaq, please. I got the numbers. Then I was like, Blaq, I gotta talk about the trailer, the video, and all that. But there's one thing first. Can I get the song? Man, it's not a job kwamba zone. Number two, the artists they know, you know what? Music needs to go out to the people. Music I'm going to operate at it. Boom. Okay, I didn't see the text tomorrow because I got busy a little bit. But then, manyan, hey, let me give you this song. And if it's going to come on, Avhude, man, Avhude. Yeah, and the Blaq I feature Skidi, or Skidi. I'm trying to pronounce the name, guys, but yeah, hey, let me hit you with this song. And funny enough, I'm only starting to listen to it now because I saw the text, you know, let me check this song out. Nambe ndirutechelese navone bapfezori kutangana mini apa pitu apanoni. Let's listen.
Rigoribu wa mubiri mutu achiri rubiri.
Okay.
Rigoribu wa mubiri mutu achiri rubiri. Avhude bring it up. Avhude Abantu banje pambodore ndiva Uganda. The way you party patendore ndiwa Musanda. Ndibuka kanda dijipeza ndapandaranda. Now them girls got present as Rika venda. Ayonda kago party chiko mari hotel mbantare. Ndiko seta party matafudo tarungandi party. Sima bari bara relax ane auna hare blow by blow. Better than to take it slow. Go with the flow. Starting over no to the flow. Panagalo, machitanga jifanagalo. Bako bara bako ngara batafara ndimi sara iko tara bono kara ndiko fara bako kombe cheza rudo tarangare ndori nera bako bako kakamera babo tetemera kerimera ndiko tokomera push itimera ndiko ranga top dona mera tongo takamera ndo shumera bambi zokorila galirege bote bako lira ati chakitimba kuchimbira piti ndiko mira bombre babo dada ndiko kila miti ziko bila Avhude.
Holy shit. Go first one. Come flow ya on. Lyrica. Wordplay. Like shit. Haripat. Avhude ruka kati.
Ribushele mabende en Avhude. Ribushele usigere machoro Avhude. Ribu nere potero en Avhude. Ribuka kate. Rigoribu wa mubiri. Mutu achiri rubiri.
Yeah. Already we're moving. Washume wapusha vitamini at the end of the day. Rewind movie. Enda. Allah. This one. Lockdown. Shit. Ebana. Rarakola munenje mgivera we.
Rigoribu wa mubiri. Mutu achiri rubiri. Avhude. Bring it up. Avhude. No matter what, it don't matter. I'ma do it just for the sake of the weekend. She told me say 10 shots Hennessy. She told me say now Skidi, how you drinking? I need a little water while I'm thinking.
Oh, Skid.
Some more, smoke some more, give me more. Like she does this for a living. Girl, you're rolling with a rock star. Got it acting like a pop star. Make your mind and know that's some good wine. Wine glass for you, make a few tips. Now she wanna make me ride it. Ride it like a mutu achiri ruviri.
Have fun.
Rigoribu wa muviri, rigoribu wa muviri. Mutu achiri ruviri, mutu achiri ruviri.
You know what? You can say what you want to say, but this is the song that you can vibe to. As a weekend, Friday, Saturday. Like, as long as in the party mood, this is one of those songs when you're like, you know what? You just want to hold the pot or the glass.
Imani ni soko tenda bachi imani kanisani ni dobonda bachi vandilana ba fesese haba bachi when you make more money drive a son la fito dan show me sucker shale sata kona ayo fed at the cut I don't care what they say ndiko push us pan to the mapeni mapambiri pangach kwa mwana vusa demo the saninga no dibe kwa money man the saninga no dibe kwa money man okay we need the press to fight did we accelerate to tolerate and the gasi accelerate and go penetrate the teacher that bring at your debate and go overtake but we banga ba celebrate to indicate okay ready to let them swing kura nilika ndenga swing nafuka mbili kurunga tona mubili nchitamba bili ndirwanga tona mavili nafara mak tishimisilu wa modusili tapena ndota mina sozotola pambili rigoribu wa mubili mutu achiri rubiri rigoribu wa mubili mutu achiri rubiri
Yeah, man, this is like this song. I just don't remember like the thing I see. Also going that watch. Trailer here, yeah, music video. These are people who listen to. These are people who track. No. That's what you mean, Yes. Big up to Adroid. Adroid Beats is one of those beat makers, those content makers, those video makers. Those guys, man, they're doing great for Venda. And for that, to big up and thanks for taking the light and, you keep it on. You're taking it to the next level. You're pushing it, guys. You're not taking sides. You're not trying to be somebody that you're not. You're just doing you. And then Blaq I, man, big up. This is a nice dope gem. I'm loving it like shit. Tomorrow is Friday. I should have this song should also go on iTunes, man. Yeah, kind of thing, Spotify and all that. This song deserves more streaming. I mean, like, guys, support the guy. Comment, suggest some artist, like, share, subscribe, hit me up 0826937124, and then the name on Twitter, and then Mama Hunguni Ranak Dash is the most active account on Facebook, VanRapRadio_Nema. You can also check me out there, I'm loving the vibe business. I was already business of Quite, Aponica music wala venda. But kana wajita, my time, everyone. I don't want to reminded or no record sound so. No record so. We're doing music and we're penetrating the industry. It's about time. Then ifuna zone. Radio.